Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed the Madhya Pradesh Bhojkar Mela virtually. On this day, more than 5,000 newly appointed teachers were handed appointment letters. The fourth and final meeting of the Trade and Investment Working Group of G20 has begun in Jaipur this morning. The EPFO has added 17,89,000 members on net basis in June this year. In Assam, the 100th cabinet meeting of Himanta Biswa Sarma government is to be held this week in Guwahati. In cricket, India defeated hosts Ireland by 33 runs in the second T20 match at Dublin last night in Malahide Cricket Club.